I had a chance to walk around and check out this interesting neighborhood along Magnolia Avenue in Fort Worth while I was here in the city and playing some gigs all around, including at Dead End Trading Post, which is in the northwest area of Fort Worth. So this little strip here is West Magnolia Avenue, and it's a popular row or strip in the near south side neighborhood of Fort Worth. So this area is located just southwest of downtown Fort Worth. It's bordered on 8th Street in the west, and you can walk about a mile east from there all along this strip, checking out all the restaurants and interesting things there. In fact, they do regard this as one of the restaurant rows of the city. This little strip is surrounded on one side by the Fairmount Historic District, which is a really interesting collection of historic bungalow homes. On the other side, it's more surrounded by these large apartment buildings, even these apartment buildings that are right up along Magnolia Avenue that you could find while you're walking around. It's also next to the medical district, so you will see a lot of medical centers around here too. So this is along Magnolia Avenue, and apparently they try to call this little neighborhood or area Magnolia Village, where they're all about walkable charm and community culture, and they also call it a vibrant, hip, buzzing strip lined with intimate restaurants. So you can find some traditional Tex-Mex as well as some more modern Mexican food. You can find gastropub kind of places and some barbecue. You can find some good pizza around here and ice cream and burgers, some legal THC. And there's retail places that'll feature artwork, as well as some spots where you can buy some clothing. And they've got quite a few coffee shops around here too. There's also a good mix of low-key dive bars and brew pubs and places with wine and craft cocktails along the way, including a few hole-in-the-wall kind of spots that are the kind of spots that'll have karaoke. Like a good neighborhood, you can find murals and some public art all along the street here too. And they do have a few times in the year where they close off the street to traffic and make it really interesting to walk around. One of them is an open streets event in the springtime where they have live music and a lot of other cool stuff and vendors. In the fall, they have an event called Arts Google, which partners with Lost in Sound, where they take over 18 whole city blocks and feature hundreds of visual artists as well as a lot of live music too. So the footage here gives you a glimpse of this little strip along the nighttime, where it is lit up with Christmas lights, even when it's not Christmas season. And in terms of nightlife, I can show you where the live music is along here while I've been hanging out around this area and had a chance to check some of it out. First, one of the places that has live music is Maggie's R&R. You walk by that place and often find it's pretty well filled up with folks eating or waiting to be sitting down to eat with that live music going on. Magnolia Wine Bar, they feature live music there, and then another wine bar called Neighborhood Wine, they'll have live music out there as well. There's a new place called Gusto's, and they've got those smash burgers. They seem to be really popular. But Gusto's has an open mic night. It's typically hosted by Denver Williams, and Samuel was up there playing when I checked it out. They've also got the Avoca Coffee Shop here, and they've got an open mic happening there as well. It's hosted by TRND Music, and I was able to check out that one too. And one of the regular spots I like to check out for the open mic is the one at Shaw's. They also host regular live music there frequently, and I do enjoy their open mic with Tommy Luke hosting, as well as just listening to him play. But along this trip, one of those gigs I had here in Fort Worth was at Dead End Trading Post. They're a barbecue restaurant located in the northwest area of Fort Worth, and so I had a good time having a chance to go out there and play some music.
You can float a little, I can float a lot, and we'll meet in the middle, it'll be the perfect spot. I got the key and you got the lock, let's put it together and open it up with a whole heart. I got a whole heart for you, I got a whole heart for you, it's shining through.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas, including my own songs here on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click on my YouTube channel and check out those thumbnails and see which topics are interesting to you. Give those videos a view. Thanks for giving this video a view, and thank you for your support.